This video describes the use of KBS Coatings XTC Silicone Zinc Primer and XTC Xtreme Temperature Coating to restore motorcycle exhaust systems. A rusted motorcycle exhaust system looks terrible. It can make your bike look aged and generally detract from its appearance. The rest of the motorcycle could look great, but the exhaust is such a large and noticeable part of the bike, and an unsightly exhaust system really stands out. Unless rust is stopped, it can progress to the point where the metal is weakened or even perforated. You could purchase a new exhaust system, but that could cost a few $100s or even thousands. Lucky for you, the KBS Coatings XTC Rust Prevention System provides a far more cost-effective solution. The XTC Rust Prevention System consists of XTC Xtreme Temperature Coating and XTC Silicone Zinc Primer that work together to prevent corrosion of metal surfaces exposed to high heat, high humidity, condensation, and salt air. The formulation of these products ensure they can withstand the temperatures in excess of 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. The results are permanent and look great. The first step in restoring a motorcycle exhaust using the XTC system is to ensure the surface is dry and free from old paint, coatings, dirt, oil, rust, and other contaminants. Sandblasting is the best surface preparation, as it leaves the ideal anchor pattern for paint adhesion. If you don't have access to a sandblaster, use a wire wheel, wire brush, or sand using 60 to 80 grit sandpaper. This will provide a surface equivalent to that provided by sandblasting and allow the desired surface profile or anchor pattern. Last, wash the surface well with KBS Clean at a 10:1 water to KBS Clean ratio. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Next, XTC Silicone Zinc Primer is applied by aerosol can. This high-temperature primer prevents corrosion of metal surfaces and can withstand temperatures in excess of 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. It functions much like galvanization, as it locks itself to bare metal surfaces, leaving a perfect prime surface ready for top coating. XTC Silicone Zinc Primer is free of fluorocarbons, lead, and chromates, and is gray in color. The final step is application of XTC Xtreme Temperature Coating. XTC is a high-temperature, heat-resistant exhaust coating designed to protect metal surfaces operating at temperatures from 500 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. XTC provides outstanding adhesion, film integrity, weathering, and thermal shock resistance. It's also guaranteed not to burn off. XTC will not peel, flake, or chalk, and is resistant to scratching or marring. As with all KBS products, multiple very thin covering coats are always the best practice, as heavy applications can lead to reduced adhesion and coating life. Allow a painted surface to dry a minimum of 8 hours before subjecting to high heat. The heat cure process is simple. You can bake the parts in an oven or on a grill at 350 degrees for 20 or 30 minutes. Or, after the parts are installed, start the bike and let it idle. As soon as you see the XTC start to smoke, turn the engine off and let it return to room temperature. Repeat 2 more times. After you've done that, start the bike and let it idle until all the smoke dissipates from the XTC. This means you now have a complete heat cure. Let the bike come back to room temperature. Xtreme Temperature Coating is available in aerosol spray can form, and it's also available in containers for application by brush, roller, or spray equipment. XTC is available in 10 colors, which allows you to do some unique styling if you wish. With the KBS Coatings XTC Rust Prevention System, you can stop rust, preserve your exhaust system, and keep it looking great. Plus, consider the cost savings. Would you rather spend $40 on a KBS motorcycle exhaust coating, or several hundred or thousands of dollars on a new exhaust system? For more information on the KBS Coatings XTC Rust Prevention System, visit the KBS website.